Well, I've given the Poppet Valve Bing a bit of a tidy up. I wouldn't say it was a restoration by any means, but I had to tidy it up a bit. Some improvements. When I looked online and saw some of the other the other models exactly the same as this, I noticed that these are all plated, and whoever had this before, they painted these black. That was black, this was black, the other door, both sides. The steam oil cap was black, the whistle was black, the filler cap was black. Everything had been painted black, and it didn't look right at all. I had the leak, remember I had the leak with the sight glass. Well, that heat resistant silicone, that worked. I've got the original burner working. Pleased with that. Got maths in there. Don't know how long that's going to last because it's difficult to know how much you've got in there, but there's a bit in. The door was there's a handle missing on the door. I've got to sort that out. But the door was rusty, so I've sanded all the rust off, give it a little bit of polish, painted inside. Just general improvements really. The manometer, someone has taken this off, taken it apart, and inside they've soldered it up, so it's never going to work. It can't let steam through. So I'm trying to find another manometer now what will match this. There's parts missing inside as well, so that's not gonna work. But yeah, so yeah, a bit of a tidy up. It looks much better than it did. It looks more respectable now. The water reservoir in the chimney, that had been painted several times. When I sanded it, there was loads of different colours coming off. I think that's more or less the colour that they were originally. The base was the same. It was rusty. Different colours. It was always, there was all green, but there was different colours of green. The generator was no paint left on it. It was just flaking all over. I didn't do anything to the flywheel. Flywheel wants recoating, nickel coating. Let's see if we can. I've had the. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Slow that down a bit. It's a very keen engine. Very willing engine. Runs lovely. Runs very well. Steam coming out the chimney, as it should. I would put water in the reservoir, but the tap is still seized. I'll have to take that off. But I wanted to run it a few times. Got to have a play as well, haven't you? So yeah, I'm generally pleased with it. We'll go. I've got to get that belt so I can try the generator out. a big boiler, huge boiler. A little bit of oil leak from the steam oil. I've still got to do these little, I want some wooden handles on there. But there's a little bit of a leak there. But fundamentally it's okay. It just wants a good, it will want restoring properly at some point. But it does run okay. I like it. Yeah, so that would heat the water up. Yeah, it's hot. That's hot. Wow. Yeah, so the idea works. Because I don't know if like I said before, what happens is you fill that container up with water. That water gets heated up. Then you've got this tap. When you pump, you've got a pump, you've got the tap, but this tap is seized, so I can't actually use it at the moment. But that's the idea. You preheat the water so when you're feeding the boiler, you're feeding the boiler with hot water. So I'm going to have to get that working. I haven't adjusted anything. It's exactly how it was. Very smooth engine. Tried to slow it down too much. But yeah, I'm pleased. I put paint stripper on everything what had been plated just to get the old black paint off. Didn't do anything to the boiler, just give it a clean really, just soak with water. Painted the generator. Got the rust off the door. It was a bit rusty and I painted inside. These doors I put the paint stripper on and it didn't touch it. So I think this is a different paint to what was on the other side, because when I put it on the other side it came off. But this side it didn't come off at all. It didn't touch it. So, but yeah, I mean, got all these chrome back. Yeah, shame about the manometer. Someone's gone in there and filled it up with solder. So I'm going to have to source another one. I don't really want to put a modern one, so I'll probably have to wait. But yeah, most things are there. Just a quick video. Thought you might like to see it running. But yeah, it runs nice. I like running them slow. bottom of that chimney. Nicely. Yeah, overall good model. Anyway, it's just a quick one. Thought you'd like to see it running. I'll take this out now. Oh, that's hot. Throw them out. That's it. Let's steam up for another day. Cheers, guys.